Oh my god, I didn't even cover my mouth. I'm COVID free. It's okay. Sorry. Do you like my hair today? Okay. So, I got my vanilla iced chai as per usual. Hey, it's Shay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me here again on Simply Shanalee, where we spread nothing but peace. You already know. Today we are doing yet another, a rather small crystal haul, you guys. It's not going to be super long, and I believe this is like the second to last crystal video that I will be posting for a little while because homegirl is taking a break. So let's get right on into today's, right? Okay, so obviously we have to start off with the cards. This is called Whispers of Love Oracle Cards for Attracting More Love into Your Life. I scare myself with these scissors. Okay. It says, Whispers of Love Oracle cards were created to help you find methods and messages for building stronger, more loving relationships while also reminding you of interconnectedness of everything in your life, whether it be a romantic connection, your relationship with others around you. These beautifully illustrated cards will help you find answers to solutions. You can choose a card every day to guide you, or you can focus your readings on a specific question or relationship. However you use these cards, they will be a valuable tool for adding clarity, understanding, and love to your situation. If I can open this today, that would be great. Let's pull a card for today. Come on, Whispers of Love. Come on, baby, what you got for me? Welcome to the Fig Fam. I'm glad to have you here. Is that weird? That's not weird, right? I'm not weird, right? Don't answer that. What chord do I need to see today? We got, I love you. These are powerful words. I love you. These are powerful words. I pulled the card. Ho. Okay, not you a hoe. Why do I do that? Ah! Okay, so this is the second time while filming that this type of thing has happened. I keep pulling out random cards from the deck of cards that end up being like the front cover message. I pulled this card, but it is the front cover message. I also did that with Wisdom of the Oracle. I had pulled out a random card, I shuffled and everything, and it was the card on the front of the card deck. Is that not weird? Let me pull another one. That one is so cute though. I love you. Those are very powerful words that you should really say when you mean it. And I really do only say that when I mean it. So let's do this one. Embrace your emotions. Allow your feelings to surface and be accepted. It's just emotions taking over. I don't know the words. Anyway, just embrace your emotions. Embrace your... Okay, next we have Crystals, Angels, Oracle cards. Oh wait, this was by Angela Hartfield and artwork by Josephine Wall. This one's by Doreen Virtue and artwork by Marius Michael George. Wow. Michael George. Will she do it again? Marius Michael George. What cards will come out today? What do I need to see today? What is my crystal of the day? Let's just do this one. Oh, Tanzanite. Ready to love again. You've healed from the past enough to open your heart to new love. I want one more. Interesting, huh? Quite interesting. Okay. Oh, Amethyst. Revealing your true self. As you allow others to know the real you, you'll feel loved for who you truly are. That was a mouthful, I'm sorry. Also, some cards fell. Ouchie. Next time I'm just gonna let it rip. Next time I'm just gonna let it out. That hurt. Almost damn near exploded my neck. Okay, yeah. All right, this one I'm super excited about too. This is another tarot deck, which I really am loving clarifying my messages with different tarot decks. Tarot Mucha, and I was really drawn to this because it kind of has like this Spaniard, almost like Mexican looking, almost like Hispanic, Latino, Latinx, Latina type of vibe. It doesn't have much writing on it at all. 78 cards. Artwork by Giola F. Mazzaglia and Barbara Nocenzo. Oh, it's so cool. So that's the Knight of Swords. They don't tell you, oh my gosh, this deck is so cool, you guys. They don't tell you what it is. So let's go ahead and let's shuffle this up and see what card we get out of this deck today. Ooh, these feel so good. They're like nice size. They're not too small, not too big. They're pretty thin. So like the shuffle I like to do, you guys already know. Look, I'll show you. That's how I shuffle my cards. Obviously, that's how most people shuffle their cards. Today, please show me a card that I need to see today. What will it be? Ooh, so we got 8 of Pentacles, working on something, working hard on something, building something, not giving up, not losing faith, not losing hope. Yes, on your way, on your way. Let's get 2 more cards, right? Ooh, these are just flipping. I like it. Okay, 9 of Swords, feeling a little stagnant, feeling unsure, feeling like you're stuck, but she can just free herself if she wanted to. So it's kind of like, what am I doing? Where am I going? Why am I here? Feeling stuck, feeling trapped in a way, but you have the ultimate power. She has the power to free herself and to run away, and it's only 8 of Swords, so the wall, the barrier is not indestructible, right? She could get through it. Whoa, 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 too many cards, please, babe. Just give me 1 card, one last card, please. Woo, they said take these 2. Oh, okay, hold on. Let's try again. 1, okay, it's gonna be the one that fell. We have the Sun card. Ooh, we have the Sun card. That is just bliss, happiness, laughing, joy, carefree, little baby on the front. So maybe like family. So basically the cards that we got are working hard and not stopping, freeing yourself from, can you see? Working hard at something so that you could free yourself and have ultimate happiness. I like it. I love these cards already. I did get this super attractor again. I don't think I actually picked this one out. I think this was an accident. I think I picked a different deck. And the one that I might be missing is, I could just put this deck, mix it in with my other deck that I have, but I have a feeling that I might gift this to somebody I know. So if you're watching, this one has your name on it. You could be a super attractor too. Okay, this is like a desk mat. Ooh. Okay, so this is gonna be hard to do. I don't know if you guys know this about me. Have I said this before? I don't know. I have a sensory I have like a sensory problem. It's not a, it's a problem, okay. I have like a sensory problem where I can't touch this fabric. It's like, it's not suede. What is it, velvet? It's like a velvet type of feeling, and it's kind of like when people chew on ice and you get like chills, or people scratch their nail on a chalkboard. I get that when it comes to this like velvety texture. Ugh! Ooh, I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I don't know what it is about it. It just is too soft and it kind of suffocates me. Like it's so soft that I instantly have to like feel some type of like hardness in my senses, because I know that's really weird, right? But I just, ooh, even just touching it right here is gross. Ooh. Okay, so anyway, let's see if I can even show you guys what this is. Is this the one I wanted? I don't know if this is. What the hell is that? I think that was a helicopter. That was really, really close to the house. Helicopters and airplanes just like fly over my house all the time. Where were we? I actually took a break and I ate some food. I reapplied my lipstick. Let's get it big. I will have to contact her because I was supposed to get 2 purple fluorite towers. I did just get 1. This is the fluorite tower. It's so gorgeous. Huh? It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Take the sticker off the bottom. It is such a pretty tower. Like, it has banding right in the middle. And it's like this, like, I don't know how to explain it. It's a gorgeous purple color. It's not really like, it's a blue purple. It's like a bluish purple tone. And let me see if we could tell from against my white shirt. It's just so gorgeous. It's so pretty. I got this clear quartz tower. I don't think I have any clear quartz. I have rose quartz. I have aura quartz. I have, is that the only, oh, I have fire quartz. I don't have clear quartz. This is like what everybody starts off with. It's super gorgeous. Very crystal clear, but also has like this just beautiful, I'm finding it really hard to speak right now. Just this beautiful cloudy type feel going on. It looks like glass, but it's not glass. It is quartz. But wow. Wowie. Fluorite slab. This is my first ever slab. Slab. I don't know why I like I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know why I like saying that, but this is the slab. So cool. It's so cool. I feel like I keep saying everything is cool because I do find everything super cool. But let's see if I could show you. It has this like greenish band and then like a purpley band and then like a white band. Can you see this if I do this? Okay, so this is a piece of amethyst. It's the raw version of amethyst, and it's just, wow. Whoa, bruv. What is that? I don't know. It's a piece of amethyst. It's raw. It's so like, it's smooth. Even though it's raw, it's smooth. But look at this nice chunky chunk. Look at this nice chunker. Feels good. Why do I always do that? I don't like fighting. I'm not a fighter like that. But but don't mess with me because I'll kill you. If I have to, right? If I have to. We're all about positivity, so that's only if someone comes running at you trying to... I don't condone violence here on this channel. You guys know me. You know how I am. You know how I do. So don't get it twisted, okay? I was just... If you ever were in that situation... Okay. Let's move on. So I got this elephant and I don't exactly know like what this is. It's like mustard color, right? And then it has like cream on the little booty and the foot. Then it has like a spot of like this auburny red right on the ear as well. But like what is this? What stone, material, crystal, what is that? Because it's so unique. It's so cute. This one, there was only 2 mustard colored ones. It was this one and then another one that only had like a little bit of mustard. Oh right, I was showing you guys this mat. Ooh, it really does something to me, y'all. It really does something to my soul. I can't really touch it, but oh my god, is that a 4-leaf clover? Yeah, there's a 4-leaf clover on it. Happy St. Patrick's Day, guys. It's St. Patrick's Day. This is what it looks like. I might just put it on my table. Very, very cute. Yay. Yay, yay. The last one I have here is Apothelite. And it looks like this. It's really rough, like sandpaper. Like, it's really rough. But it's super pretty because it looks like moss all over it. Like, it's just the coolest thing. I keep saying cool, huh? It's just awesome. How about I say awesome? Looks like moss stuck in ice. Very, very super smooth here on this side. Like it feels wet. It's crazy. And then like extremely rough and glittery here on this side. Wow. Wow. Gorgeous, stunning, miraculous, wondrous, magical. All of the pretty nice words in the dictionary, right? The dogs are gonna go wild right now, so I might as well hop off here. I think that's all I wanted to show you. That's all I really got for this haul. I know it's not the longest, but I'm working on shortening my videos. Thank you guys so much for joining me here again on Simply Shanalee. Make sure to leave a like on this video for more videos and to let me know how you liked the video. Leave me that thumbs up. To subscribe down below and join the Fig Fam. Also turn on post notifications so you're notified every single time I make a new video. You can be the first to comment. We could chat it up, baby boo. Share this video with anyone that you think would like tarot cards or crystals or just a good laugh, you know? I like to think I'm kind of funny. Just a little, just kind, I said kind of, right? Alright you guys, I will see you in my next video. Take care, be safe, spread nothing but peace, love, and positivity, yo. Mwah. Microwave. Thought it was over? You thought it was over. I thought it was over. I'm not gonna lie. I forgot to show you guys this bamboo jasper tower. Bamboo jasper tower. There's a lot going on right now. Very beautiful. Very, very pointy. She's a pointy gal. Wow. So intricately, like, it reminds me kind of like of a church of some sort. Church windows or something. A little creepy. This one kind of creeps me out a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but something drew me to it. It's just really unique, really different. Yeah, I thought I was done too. I'm not done. Bamboo jasper. Okay, I'm done now. You could go. Thanks for watching. I love you. And those words are powerful. I love you. Don't forget it. Okay, I gotta go.